Thank you very much, Mr. President. It's really a great honor and a pleasure to meet you, and I'm very happy to meet you after we met in Samarkand on the sidelines of ISRO. And once again, I'd like to congratulate you on your re-election, and I'm sure Russian Federation will further progress under your able leadership. Mr. President, I'm very happy to share with you that our bilateral relations have been having positive trajectory over the last many years, and this is a matter of great comfort for us. And I would like to work with you closely to further cement our relations. We have a whole lot to do, and we can benefit from your experience. We can certainly enhance our trade, which is at the moment touching $1 billion. And of course, on my request, you're very kind to promote cooperation in the field of energy, and we received shipment of oil from your great country, and I'm very grateful for that. But we really need to further move in this direction.